If you want to silence your iPhone 16e, you have three main ways to do so. The first method is by going to Settings. Then in the settings, you can go to Sounds and Haptics. And then over here, we have a silent mode. You can enable the silent mode over here to stop playing ringtones, alerts, and other system sounds. And of course, you can turn it off the silent mode again over here. The silent mode can also be enabled by using the control center. So we can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this. And you are looking, in this case, for this ring icon here. This is the silent mode. We can tap on that button in order to turn on or off the silent mode. So if you want to silence your iPhone 16e, make sure that the silent mode here is enabled. And the third option that allows us to silence our iPhone pretty quickly is by using the action button that we have here on the left side of the phone. But first we need to go to Settings, and then in the settings go to accessibility. Sorry, not accessibility. Over here we have the action button. Sorry about that. And here we can choose silent mode. This is, I think, actually set up by default, so you probably don't even have to go here, but just in case, just to make sure, we can go here in order to check if that is the case. And now we can use the action button, hold it for like a second in order to turn on or turn off the silent button. So you actually have to hold it. As you can see, the phone even gives me that tip. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.